Hey guys, thanks for joining me again. I have another DIY project that you can do at home. Took me all of about 3 minutes to do. It may take me a little bit longer to show you how to do it. And for those of you who still use stamps, this is for you. So when I go to the post office, I buy a roll of stamps, and it usually comes in 100 stamps. And if you have an old film canister laying around, 35 millimeter film canister, this is what I use. And so the first step is I cut a slit in the film canister right here, the same width as a roll of stamps. Once that slit is cut, you can open up the film canister, and essentially I'm going to put the stamps in the film canister. But as you can see, it's a little bit smaller there. So what I have to do is I have to tighten this roll so it can fit in there. It's pretty easy. You just hold it like so, and you pull it tighter, and then roll it back up. It still doesn't fit. Once you have it all rolled up, you can place it inside the film canister, like so. And then comes the tricky part. You have to get the end of the roll of stamps through that hole. What I typically do is I press down on one side while I try to feed it through. See if I can show you this. It's not working for me. There you go. So I just put my hand in there and twisted it, press down on this side. It usually pops through, and then I can grab that little piece. DIY stamp dispenser. Thanks for watching.